Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get empty display name in Roblox. Want to create an invisible name in Roblox? Here's how. First, head to the YT Tags website. Type any placeholder word in both slots. Next, go to the text reverse site, also linked below, and copy the special invisible character. Return to YT Tags site. Paste the character 3 times. Roblox requires 3 characters, then click replace. The box should look empty, but that's fine. Copy the text, go to Roblox settings, and edit your display name. Quickly paste the invisible text and hit save. Speed is key. If it fails, just try again until it works. Once done, your name will appear completely blank. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.